This car is so special, it's got 2 bodyguards. That is mad. Mad. Oh my god, I'm in Köln right now. Supercar Blondie here. Check out this truck right here. We have the coolest, most unique, most amazing car in the world being delivered to us right here, right now, here in Germany. I'm actually filming with Grip as well, with Franz on Grip.
Are you
What's
filming
up, man?
again?
Yeah, we're filming. Keep filming,
it.
it never finishes. We're going to be doing the YouTube and the TV show at the same time. So let's see how multitasking. Yeah. Okay, so let's see how we go. We're not going to delay this any further. Let's see the car.
Show me.
Let's see the car. So guys, I've only seen photos up until this point. This is super unique. There's only one in the world. And oh, here it comes. Oh, it's super exciting. Yes, like a UFO, guys. You can't really tell what it is right now, but we're gonna take the cover off. We can only see the sides right now. Franz is thinking hard like what it could actually be, because this is from a major movie franchise. Oh my goodness, I'm getting so nervous. It's taking so long to reveal. Really getting nervous. Ooh. Here we go. What is it, guys? What is it?
Ey,
cool,
wie machst du sowas?
I don't know, man.
Sag mal, ohne, wie machst du sowas? Ehrlich jetzt. Ich meine, du rufst doch nicht bei Mercedes an und sagst, ey, pass mal auf.
Ja.
Ich bin hier in Köln, ich treffe den Franz von Grip und ich brauche den Vision GT mal eben.
Ja.
So machst du das?
Yeah, pretty much. I mean, it's taken years to like kind of build up these relationships. Okay, we've just filmed this car for Grip, which you're going to see really soon. And I'm just going to say goodbye here. That's a really cool car you've got. Woo! Mate, I love the rims. It's Brabus.
What do you think? It's really cool, right?
Brabus Edition Smart.
Edition Smart.
Drift it. I'll
try to drift it without flipping it. So we'll see. Have a good one, guys.
See you later, mate. So nice filming with you. Okay, so that's coming out in Grip, but for you guys now, I'm going to show you what is under that cover. Super special. Should we head over? Now, the reason why this car is here today is because for the first time ever, there is a Supercar Blondie TV show coming out this August. It's called Car Cruise with Supercar Blondie. I'm so excited to talk about this. It has been under wraps, it has been in the bag. I haven't been able to say anything about it until today. So this is the big announcement. My first ever TV show is coming out on Insight.tv and it is available all over the world, so you can all watch it. I'm so looking forward to seeing what you guys think of it. It's coming out on the 22nd of August, so just get your phones out right now, pop it in your diary on your phone, because this is the first time you're gonna see me on an actual TV show exploring different car cultures around the United States. It is going to be something completely different from what you see usually on my YouTube channel. So please go and check it out. 22nd of August, write it down in your diary. The reason why I have this car here is because I couldn't launch my first ever TV show without having the world's coolest car to kick it off. Massive thanks to Mercedes, who has done the unthinkable. They have never delivered this car to anyone in the world before, except for one A-list celebrity, Ben Affleck. And you'll know why I said that in just a second. All right, oh my God, what is this? No!
Okay.
Oh my god! What am I standing on? I'm a bit tall.
So I'm going to stand behind it if you want to.
Oh, okay, should I just uncover it like this? Oh, this is cool! Oh, it's like a...
That's mate, it's pop-up Liechtenstein.
Oh, mate, I've never looked so cool. And I mean, I don't look that cool in real life. I want those boots. I don't own those boots. That's awesome. Oh, look how skinny I am. I love it. No. Wow.
Take it out.
I don't own that top either. I want this whole outfit. Yeah. This is my new TV show. Woo! Car cruise with Supercar Blondie. Check it out, insight.tv. That's where you're going to see it. Wow. I look super happy. I'm going to set her down somewhere special.
What's her name?
Supercar. First name Supercar, last name Blondie. Prime seat for the unveiling of the coolest car ever. All right, are you ready for this? There is only one of these cars in the world. Just one. This is the big unveil. Oh, look at that headlight. Wow, these rims. Any guesses so far? You might have seen it somewhere. Oh, I've got to be so careful, you guys. Like, this is Mercedes' baby. And come around the back. Can we see the back? Check that out. Woo! 8 exhaust pipes. Where have you ever seen that before? Okay. Put this in the boot. This is the Mercedes-Benz AMG Vision GT. Vision Gran Turismo, that's what it stands for. This car was driven in Batman, the movie. Have you ever seen anything so cool? This is hopefully the future. I wanted to show you around a little bit. Shall we have a look around? This car, you can see, is kind of based on the AMG GT, right? It's got that kind of long nose, and they have basically made an AMG GT look like a spaceship. Look, you've got 2 fuel caps here. So one here on this side, and then the same thing on this side. It takes away the hassle, right, when you're pulling into a gas station, having to line up at either the left or the right gas pumps. You've got quite a big boot here in the back. I absolutely love the 8 exhaust pipes coming from the back. That is awesome. What this looks like here, they've mirrored this exact look here with the air vents. They've got 8 air vents here in the middle. This car was made to commemorate the 15th anniversary of the game Gran Turismo. The game basically said to manufacturers all over the world, come up with your craziest looking car and we're going to put it in the game to commemorate the 15th year anniversary. Mercedes had their design teams from around the world work on the coolest, craziest looking car, And then Gordon Wagner, the chief of design at Mercedes, basically looked at all of them and went, right, we're going to do this, 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 and pieced it all together and came up with this incredible creation. Then, because of that hype, the movie industry called and said, we want it. We want it for the next Batman movie. And they were like, oh my God, let's do it. They made the car 10% bigger so that Batman in his massive costume could get in and out of the car. Then when I laid my eyes on this car, I was like, ah, that's amazing. And I knew that only one person, Ben Affleck as Batman, Bruce Wayne, one person had driven this car. I was like, I have to get my hands on this. So I gave Mercedes a call. I said, listen guys, I've got my new TV show coming out. I've got to start with a bang. I need the world's coolest car. Can you please get this to me? They said yes. This was the next question. Can I get in? Took a little bit more convincing, but the answer was yes. So I think I'm gonna be like one of a handful of people ever to step inside this car. I'm gonna do this right now so I can show you the interior. Okay. I'm gonna do the butt first technique. We're in. Okay, here. Come with me. Come with me for this experience. Look at this steering wheel. So this is kind of like the Project One. That kind of shape, right? Just Batman style. And then this actually lights up here in the center, which looks quite cool. All of these dials are directed towards the driver in the center console. And then there's those 8 air vents as well. That's the sound of a V8. Its fictional specs, right, because it's a movie car, is that Batman was driving a V8 biturbo with a 585 horsepower engine. So when you think about those specs, it's like a AMG GTR underneath the hood. However, because this is a movie car, it doesn't drive yet. I want to see this drive in real life. I mean, if we get to the point in the future that we have cars like this on the road, I'll be very happy. Look how big the pedals are. Batman has big shoes, I suppose.
Been famous in the social world for some time, and we're taking her to television now, and she's done an amazing show for us. We're looking forward to that. You know, we've been working on that show and it's almost complete, so August is the release for that. So rather than talk about it, let's take a quick look at a clip, and I'm sure you will agree with me, it's going to look amazing.
That's the end of our time with this incredible beauty, and now she's being loaded up to be taken to Berlin for my next big TV promo launch. So this car is literally following my TV launches, which is crazy. Mercedes, you are the best. Honestly, I love your support, and it's insane that you sent this car just for my TV show. Crazy. So special, it's got 2 bodyguards. That is mad. Mad. Alright, I'm out.